Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Reason. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I will bring for you beautiful resin jewelry ideas and you can learn how can we make it. Today I am making a beautiful heart shaped locket with beautiful color combination black and golden. I am making it with the help of acrylic paint, epoxy resin and golden flags. I am pouring transparent resin, then I am pouring golden flags. Very useful art, very interesting hobby. You can gift it to your friends, loved one, etc. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.